When your Milwaukee M18 battery charger shows a flashing red and green light, it's indicating a specific type of problem that many users misunderstand. This flashing pattern does not mean your battery is dead or has a temperature issue. Instead, it signals that the battery management system has detected an internal fault. The battery management system, or BMS, is a protective circuit inside every lithium-ion battery. It monitors voltage, temperature, current, and cell balance to keep the battery safe. The BMS trips and causes the red-green flashing when it detects overvoltage, overtemperature, cell imbalance, or overcurrent conditions. These are safety mechanisms to prevent battery damage. The first troubleshooting step is to reseat the battery. Remove it completely from the charger, then firmly reinsert it, applying slight pressure to ensure good contact. Next, clean the contacts on both the battery and charger. Use a dry, lint-free cloth or isopropyl alcohol to remove any debris or oxidation that might interrupt communication. Finally, power cycle the charger by unplugging it for a few minutes, and ensure you're using a compatible Milwaukee charger. If these basic steps don't resolve the issue, advanced troubleshooting may be needed. When basic troubleshooting fails, there are several advanced techniques you can try before considering battery replacement. First, try an ambient temperature reset. Remove the battery and let it sit at room temperature between 10 and 27 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. If temperature reset doesn't work, try the deep sleep wake-up procedure. Place the battery on a genuine Milwaukee charger for 10 minutes, then remove and reseat it 3 times. As a last resort, some users have successfully jump-started their battery by briefly connecting it to a good battery. However, this requires extreme caution and correct polarity to avoid damage or injury. If these advanced methods fail, or if the battery shows signs of irreversible damage, consider Milwaukee's e-service portal for professional evaluation, especially if your battery is still under warranty. Remember, a solid green light on the charger doesn't always guarantee a good charge. If your battery isn't performing as expected, investigate further, even when the charger shows green.